Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to tell you why listening is important to learn English language. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learner, if you want to learn English language, then you need to understand the importance of listening. The importance of listening. Alright, so let me tell you a very important thing before telling you anything or before diving into the video. If you compare your native language, okay, if you compare your native language to English, so how did you learn your native language? How did you learn your native language? Whether it is Marathi, Bengali, any language it could be. So might be you will get to know that you when you were a child, so you listen the things a lot and a lot from your family, from your big brothers, from your big sisters, means elder brother and elder sister. So that's how you learn this language, because when you listen the thing again and again, whether you know the meaning or not, so it identifies your mind that this word is suitable for that word. And this is how listening helps you to improve your any language, not particularly English, about any language. All right, so today in the video I will be particularly talking about how listening can help you to improve your English. Just you have to follow my tips while listening anything which is in English. All right, so dear learners, first of all, when you listen English videos in order to improve your English, okay, in order to improve your English, so what are the things that you get from there? So first thing that you get from there is you and your mind observe the thing which is in English, whatever you listen in English. Might be this you are not able to understand this thing, but let me tell you few more things, and after that you will automatically understand this thing. All right, when you listen anything which is in English, so first of all, it improves your pronunciation. It improves your pronunciation, and pronunciation is very important to make your English good, to make your English, like you can say, very good. If you want to speak better, if you want to sound good, then you need to have good pronunciation ability. This is the first thing. And the second thing that you get from listening is repetition of words. Repetition of words, right? So repetition of words means whatever the words you have in your mind, and at the moment if you listen anything which is in English, so it helps you to know the words again what you have learned in the past. So this is the benefit number 2 of listening in English. And the third number, which I described in the very beginning of the video, like it observe, means your mind observes the thing which is in English, and it really helps you to improve your English. When you really listening English, okay, so your mind attracts the thing. Okay, you can say like you are getting a way of English speaking environment. You can say like this, because we learn our native language as we have the environment, but while learning English there is no environment. So this is how you can say listening is helping you to build up a kind of environment of English from where your mind observe the thing. So this is what I really wanted to tell you. Now, one more question might be coming from everyone's mind is what to listen really in English. So there is no need to worry. Whatever you are interested in, just go and listen that. If you, if you are interested in watching movies, no problem. You go and watch movies, but that should be in English. There you are doing two things: getting enjoy and listening the things which is going to help you to improve your English. Okay, why I am telling you to follow your interest? When you follow your interest, so there is very less possibility, very less possibility to get bored, right? So that's why I am suggesting you to follow your interest. If you are interested in listening to the songs, no problem, You go and listen to the song, but that should be in English. Yes, maybe in the starting time you can't understand their English very well, but no worries. These are the short, and these are the, you can say that, identities of short obstacle. Even if you do not understand, no problem. Just keep it up. Keep the thing, continue doing. Right? So now, let me tell you one more thing about listening. As I told you, keep listening whether you understand or not. Whether you understand or not. Okay. And if you are really more conscious, if you are dedicated toward your life, so you can watch English productive videos, English life lesson in English, motivation videos in English, whatever that should be in English. Just forget one thing and don't worry about one thing, that oh, I can't understand English now, so how it can help me? Yes, it can help you, but wait for some days, then you get the result. For example, when we plant a tree, so while planting we do not get the fruit. Do we get? No, we do not get the fruit in that time. We have to wait for some time. For some time means plant will grow up, then it will give the flower, and from flower it will turn to the fruit. So this is how the world is going on, and this is how you can get improvement if you listen English, if you watch videos in English. So this is what I just wanted to tell you, the importance of listening English if you really want to improve your English. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, so no problem, you can just give me a subscribe and a like, share this video to your friends. And if you have any question, so you can ask me down in below in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply all of your comment. All right, so thanks for watching my video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye, see you soon, and once again, thanks for watching my video.